Ever found yourself struggling with AI systems? Do they seem too complicated or just don't produce the results you want? You're not alone. Many people encounter challenges when interacting with AI systems like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. Sometimes, it's tough to get these systems to understand exactly what you're asking for. Other times, the results may be far from what you expected, but what if I told you there's a simple way to overcome these challenges? The first step to effective AI use is clarity. Imagine you're a tour guide. If your directions are vague, your group might end up lost. Similarly, AI thrives on clear, specific instructions. For instance, instead of saying, "write a story," instruct it to write a suspenseful short story about a detective in New York. The latter gives the AI a clear context, genre, and setting to work with. See how a bit of clarity can make a world of difference? Now, not all AI are created equal. Each one, whether it's ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, has its own unique strengths. ChatGPT, for instance, excels in natural language understanding and generation, making it a great tool for creative writing. Copilot, on the other hand, is a coding genius, helping developers streamline their work. And Gemini? It's a master of data analysis, presenting complex statistics with ease. Knowing your AI's strengths is half the battle won. With clarity and understanding, we move on to the art of crafting prompts. The key to a successful prompt is precision and relevance. It's like providing a compass to your AI. For ChatGPT, try to be conversational, as if you're speaking to a friend. For instance, instead of saying "write," say, "Could you please write a poem about spring?" For Copilot, be direct and explicit with your coding needs. Instead of "fix this code," try, "Could you help me debug this JavaScript function?" Gemini, on the other hand, thrives on specific queries and data-related tasks. So, instead of "find data," say, "Could you please find the latest statistics on global warming?" These are just guidelines. Feel free to inject your own style and creativity into your prompts. The AI is there to assist you, so make it work for you. Remember, the right prompt can unlock the full potential of your AI. Lastly, don't be afraid to refine and experiment. Tweak your prompts, play around with phrasings, and observe how the AI responds. Each adjustment is a step closer to the perfect prompt. With practice and patience, you'll master the art of AI prompts. So what have we learned today? Clarity is key when instructing AI. Know the strengths of each system, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and craft your prompts accordingly. Refine your results through experimentation. Now go out there and explore the possibilities of AI. Happy prompting!